Hi, I'm Emily Wenzel with Body and Mind Enrichment. I'm a food extraordinaire, and I'm going to discuss with you ways that you can extract the juice from basil leaves. There's a variety of ways to do it, a couple of which would be a water-based extraction. You can use it in a vinegar extraction, also an oil, and even what's called a tincture, which would be a vodka base or sometimes even a vinegar base. So today I've got two different examples. One would be a water-based and a vinegar-based. The water-based is basically going to be extracting the juice from making a tea. It actually tastes better than you probably think. So you want to take a couple of the leaves and then ever so gently kind of mash them up just a little bit. They're a little temperamental, so you don't need to tear into them too much. And then add them to some hot water, cover it up for about 5-10 minutes, and then strain it out. So you'll see the color is just from the basil in the hot water. And your other option is you could take these beautiful flowers from the basil leaf or the leaves themselves. And I took some fresh leaves, placed them into an empty bowl, or empty container, and then added some white wine vinegar. So to this also created a nice extra little color in here as well. So I kept this for a couple weeks and just kind of shook it up so it extracted the juice from the basil leaves, and now I can use it on my salads. Those are some ways that you can extract the juice from basil leaves. I'm Emily Wenzel with bodyandmindenrichment.org.